Yeah, welcome to today's trade ideas and signal and happy new week. So without wasting time, we're going to start our analysis from where I think we left off. Throughout last week, I was so strong, so I didn't even try to do any analysis because personally I wasn't fully involved in the market. So without wasting time, we're just going to start our analysis from, you know, I've been talking about if we close below this low, then this particular low here, that we can begin to look for downtrend in the market. So, then if you follow my analysis from last 2 weeks, you understand what I'm talking about from this particular level. So throughout last week, we just have a downtrend. Now, where are we this week? For better clarity, we're just going to go to daily. And as we can see, we have our high here. We have our strong guy here. Then here happens to be our weak low. And as you can see, markets begin to, you know, and automatically here becomes our strong eye again. The market's strong eye. Then here becomes our weak low. And that's normal proper structure in the market. So as you can see, weak low, then we can see that all has been taken. And if we look closely, we see this level again. Here becomes our strong eye. But from what we have here, and this particular leg, it is here that we have a strong eye. Then automatically with the creation of this candle on Friday, then we automatically know that here becomes our week low, where we'll be anticipating some kind of price action into, and we'll be expecting. So automatically, well, our dealing range is from this leg to this particular leg here. So we can be anticipating some mitigation this particular level. But from what we have within this level here, we can see that, okay, this internal structure kind of mitigates this previous load, the mitigation block that we have here. And we can quickly account for the fact that, okay, we might just continue to come up. So what are we expecting from this particular level here? From daily, we can see these are dealing range, and 50% of the dealing range lie perfectly here. Then we'll be looking to sell from here and we'll be looking to buy from below the something. But from the kind of price action we are seeing here, what we're going to just do is to go to 4 hour to see what market is doing currently. From what we can see from this leg here, we can see this minor is a major MSS also, but nonetheless, it's a minor one. So the major one because it's 4 hour leg, and we have this trend change. Yeah, we have this trend change, which is TC, which is structure break, and we have this leg being weak high and a minor structure level, and yeah, wants to be weekly. So we can see this particular leg formed the creation of weak low on daily, but on 4 hour we observed that we see major structure shift here on 4 hour. Then we can see that it causes us to have something. But coming from the proper mitigation of this leg from daily, as you can see from this leg here, we can potentially be looking for this leg being taken out, or since this leg is still being protected until we have it's a strong low, and on 4 hour here becomes our daily range. But from what we can see here on lower time frame, we can see some kind of shift within this leg and some reversal pattern taking place. So if we look at 1 hour within this daily range, as you can see, yeah, a 4 hour daily range starting from ranging from this leg to this to above here, we can see the proper mitigation of the leg here on 15 minutes. But if we still try to check this particular leg here, pick it from this particular leg, we can see a proper mitigation of the 50% of that daily and 4 hour range. So Yeah, wherever we have from within the leg on 4 hours, you can see we already have a shift in the market, and having a shift that's minor, we can just term that one as our minor market structure shift. Then from that level, we have this leg being broken. It has happened from even within this leg here. So we have it from within that leg, and that is what is it called? But this particular leg is going to be a flip. It's a minor flip for that matter. Or here we have something called trend change. Is a minor TC. Just trend change and structure break. So having this type of something in the market, then we automatically know that this strong low is the next target, is the external liquidity that this leg is looking forward to take. So from within that leg, we already see that, okay, this particular level that we have here automatically becomes our strong, it's going to be our strong low, potential strong low if this leg is being closed and break below. So we know that, okay, here automatically we have, and this weak low has been taken, but nonetheless, we know it's okay. We can be capitalizing on this particular leg, but nonetheless, we still leave that one for something. So our anticipation in the market this afternoon is having this low to be broken, being broken below this particular low. If it is broken, or if peradventure price just shift from the level. But from what we have here, we can have some kind of price reaction into this level. But these days, with the nature of the market and what it's doing, I personally like to just take my trades on lower time frame, looking for internal liquidity to be taken before we have external, because we've got to be very, very careful these days. We've got to be very, 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 very careful. So as we have it here now, we have our um we have this leg. This is our watch out leg, but nonetheless, we'll be anticipating the creation and finishing off. And the only thing I can see from this level is for us to look for either, you know, buy, either sell or buy from. We'll be looking for sell if provided this level, but nonetheless, I believe money has been shifted to the right side of the market, and we've created another strong low, strong guy in the market. Another strong guy has been created because this level has been taken out on lower time frame. So automatically, this level is the level we can be looking to sell from. So provided depending on what market does around this level. So we'll be only looking forward to this particular level within the structure for us to know what to do, that to buy or to sell. So, and that would be in lower time frame. So I will advise we stick to lower time frame. We try and see, or if you want to take any aggressive trade, and try and take it from this particular level here. So and take it, but from what we are seeing from this level, depending on whatever price is there, we've got to be very, very careful with whatever action we are taking. There is so many chaos in the market these days, so we have to be very, very extraordinary careful with whatever we do. Well, any aggressive entry can come within this leg. We advise we chill and observe what it does on lower time frame, and let it signal either buy or sell from the level, so that at least we'll be able to take appropriate action. So I guess that will be all for analysis, at least for today. So tomorrow we're going to continue from this level. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and profitable day.